Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video of how to be confident, and I'm going to do like a makeup look. I'm going to use some makeup that I haven't used in a while, some makeup that I haven't used at all yet because I just haven't had time. So if you like to see this video, let's go ahead and get started. The reason why I was wanting to do a video like this is because there's so many people recently that I've heard like they put themselves down and like they just don't have no confidence in themselves. So I'm just gonna go over some advice and maybe help you all out or someone you may know that struggle with it. I know all of us struggle with it some sort because I know I do, and I have like worse before. Like I grew out of a lot of it. Also got me a new shirt, if you all can see this. Also, if you don't notice, and if you watch me regularly, I do not have the bed in my background anymore. That is like my desk. It's got my laptop on it and all my papers and all that stuff. So I'm very excited about that. I did not know that my mom and dad was gonna come out here and get their bed. And then like my husband told me, he's like, there's no bed at the house in the back room. I'm like, what? So they came and got it. Now this is my beauty room. I'm going to add more stuff to it and fix it up a little bit more, and I'll show you the whole thing when it gets done. That's why I got done last night. So let's get on with the video. Okay. So I want to use this. I'm going to use it a couple times. I really like this kind of Maybelline Master Primer. Primer. I'm just going to I'm not going to sit here and just ramble on about stuff. I'm just going to tell you what I think helps people with confidence. I think caring for yourself is number one of my advice to people that are struggling. Like, if you don't care for yourself, you can't care for anybody else. And if you don't care about yourself, then you're just hurting yourself in the long run. Don't let people run over top of you. Don't let people, when they say stuff, kind of react to it. Just say, oh, well, I don't care about that. Don't bother me. You know what I'm saying? Always have a positive side to that when people say something mean to you. Because I think when people are mean to people, they are lacking something in life that you have, and it makes them very irritated. So, it's not, everybody's gonna be like that. Most people are. It's just the way you react to it is how it affects you. If you let it bother you, then obviously it's gonna get you down into the dumps where, you might not be able to get back out of it. So, that's one thing. Okay, so I got what kind of eyeshadow I want to use. Everything's everywhere right now, so I don't really know what I want to use. Since it's fall, let's do a fall look. I hope y'all like having Kelly in my videos. I love having her over. I feel like you all see a side of me that you really don't see. I'm all jokes and funny in front of you, but for me to actually get out of my comfort zone when she's here, because me and her, we cannot never hardly be serious. We really can't. We're not just putting it on the camera. We are literally like that. But yeah, and I would set goals. Set you some goals, and I'm not talking about goals that are something that you do all the time out of your comfort zone. For example, me making this YouTube channel, really, I was setting a goal for myself that I wanted to get out there and show people, my life and how I do makeup. And you don't see a lot of people from West Virginia doing YouTube videos, and you don't see them a lot doing makeup videos. And like, I kind of want to like help people also. So I'm going with like this orange color as like my base. But yeah, I would love to like have people be like, I made a YouTube channel because of you. Like that makes my day. Stuff like that, Because it takes confidence to make a video, trust me. You all should go back and watch my first video and watch my videos now. I'm a whole different person. Help someone out. Like, as I'm saying, like, if you help somebody out in their time of need, it makes you feel better. Like, if you just, like, for a friend, a family member, a stranger, if you're just there for them, it helps them out, and it also helps you out. Like, it makes you feel like, oh, I did a good thing today. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm going to go in with this darker brown kind of shade right here for my outer corner. But stuff like that always makes people feel so much better. Like, not just the person that you're doing it for. I know one time, I'm going to tell y'all this story. One time when me and my husband was living down where he grew up at. And we go to Dollar General down there. And this guy, I think it was a guy. Yeah, it was a guy in a wheelchair. And nobody, even the workers at that Dollar General, would not help this guy. Like, because it was not an automatic door. You actually had to open the door. Nobody would help him. And that made me so furious. Like, oh God, like, it really, like, I probably had steam coming out of my ears, my nose, my eyes. Because that just makes me so mad. So I go and open the door, and like, he was so thankful, like, for me doing that. And don't expect anything back when you do stuff for not, like, do stuff nice for people. Don't expect things back, like, because that just makes you look bad. So I wouldn't do that. But yeah, that made me so mad. Listen, that was ridiculous that nobody would help him, even the workers. Lord. I always try to be positive. I know the world nowadays, it's so hard to be positive. It really is. Or you're in a bad relationship, a bad friendship, family members, and they always try to get you down no matter what. Like, just be positive about the situation. Like, always try to, like, take up for yourself. And, like, that's when it goes back for caring about yourself. I just mean to people, but like, there's a way of saying things without being like really mean. I like to help people much as I can. I really do. And I mean, if you all ever want to email me, you want to message me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, go ahead and message me, and I'll be there and I'll help you and give you the best advice I can give. Because, like, I was one of those girls in school and stuff that people always come to me for advice. Like, friendship, boyfriend, family, like, everybody come to me for advice. And I'm hoping that I can be there for you all, too. Because I know sometimes you all get into situations, we all do, that you don't have nobody to help you and you don't know where to go or who to turn to. That could be for any reason. Self-doubt is like, if you keep sitting there and saying, oh, I ain't gonna do this, or nobody's gonna like me, or this person does it better, why should I do it? That's when you start doubting yourself, and when you start doubting yourself, that's when nothing's gonna go the way you want. What I tell you to do is stop doubting yourself, because if you like go back to setting goals and you do them and achieve them, honey, you will feel like the best person in the world. I know a lot of people, they get belittled, and I can't stand that crap. I can't stand when people get talked down to like they're nobodies. And that just makes me very irritated also. Face your fears. Like, go do something crazy. Like, have a little fun in your life. You know, just don't always do what you always do. Like, you know, go out of your comfort zone. And you also will feel better about that also. Last years I've have so many fears, and I've overcame them, and like it's the best feeling ever to like be able to overcome those fears. This is also something that, you know, I would hope you all can message me about if you need to, if you don't have nobody, or you just need somebody else to talk to that's not there in the situation with you or around it. Because I know it's best to get advice from people that aren't in the situation or aren't there seeing it happen or hearing about it. Somebody that you don't even know, they come in, like, you know, you let them know what's going on and they can help you. That's what I want to be there for you all. So uncover what gives you confidence. Like, think about things that give you all the confidence in the world. Like putting on makeup, going shopping, you know, like different things that make you feel confident, and write them down or message me, and like just let's talk about it. When you uncover stuff that bothers you or makes you confident, that's when you can work out the problem, and we can figure out a way to help you be more confident. Like, everybody has something about them that they don't like. Everybody has flaws. People just like to point out those flaws in people more than others. Just don't compare yourself to others. Like, just don't. I used to do that a lot. Really, a lot. I don't judge anybody. There's things that you go through in life that you just can't help that you go through. And trust me, I've been through a lot. I've been through stuff that people don't know about. Don't ever let anybody tell you you're not enough. Oh God, it's like kind of like belittling somebody, like, you're not enough for me. I like, this mostly goes for like relationships, like marriages and stuff like that. Mostly goes towards that, because that's mostly the people that get told crap like that all the time. That's so annoying. I hate when people like call women that they're like not enough, when they sit there and bust their butts for their husbands or their boyfriends. Oh God, it makes me so mad. Like, I'm telling you, I just don't know about people sometimes, you know? Like, even, you know, drug addicts, like, you know, I feel sorry for them too. But also, you know, it's a hard thing to go over, like, you know, talk about, you know, because I have a lot of family members that turn to drugs. And, you know, it hurt them so bad, you know. And it messes you up, and it just, these two shades together, okay, these two shades together right here. God, I got makeup all over me now. These two shades right here at the end, I'm using them, I'm blending them together and putting on my lower eyelash line, if I can talk. I just want to be here for you all, and, you know, making an impact on people's lives, because it just makes life so much better when you have somebody to help you when you don't have a clue what to do or who to talk to, because there's a lot of times that you don't know who to talk to. Like, are they going to judge me, or are they going to quit being friends with me, are they going to go behind my back and talk about me? And like, that's my biggest pet peeve is when people will go and tell people, other people, like, about people's personal lives. Like, oh my god, that irritates me so much. Like, it makes me roll my eyes so much that they can get stuck in the back of my head. Like, I'm not even kidding with you. Let me find me some lip gloss to wear or something. I really like this color, but it don't match. I need like more fall lip colors. I guess I could just wear that one. I'm just gonna wear this one. This lip pout from LA Colors. I'm just gonna use this since it's brown. And this is also MAC. If you all have watched my videos, you all know I love this. And this was only $1. It's lasted a long time. I just thought this was a good situation to talk about today. Okay, now I'm gonna put me some highlight on. I don't know what the heck. Oh my god, like, my favorite highlight has gone missing. And I about died. I literally don't know what I did with it. I don't have a slightest clue in the world what I've done with it. And it makes me very, very irritated. Because that was my favorite highlight, guys. Oh my god. I don't know what to do with myself now. Okay, I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush for my highlight. And I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Rainbow Highlighter. I just use like the top part. I'm just going to use the bottom part. I don't know what to use. Oh, this highlight's really pretty too. You can go either way with it. Like, it's so pretty. If it, like, you can tell, like, it's blue and purple. It's really pretty. I wish I had like a kind of like a orangish sheer one, but I don't think I have one. It really makes me kind of sad. I love highlight. Okay. So, I think that wraps up this video. Oh, and this eyeshadow is from the Color Workshop, which people, you not hear nothing about hardly. And it's like really pretty eyeshadow, so like it blended very well. And it's really pretty. This will give you a look of it. So if y'all know of a video that you want me to do, or me and Kelly to do, let us know, because honey, we'll do it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it. And remember, if you need me, email me, message me, or if you know somebody needs help, just message me, and I'll be there for you all and whoever else. Because I know people go through stuff all the time, and I just want to help you build up your confidence. And I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did. So I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.